Hello students, today we'll be discussing with the next assignment regarding ERP for standard 12th. So the first question is, which is one of the most critical step in the ERP implementation? Options are creation of organizational model, creation of integrated data model, creation of business model, creation of data model. So, for this particular question, the right answer is creation of integrated data model. That is the most critical step any ERP has to implement. Next question is, which is one of the key resource of every organization in today's competitive business environment? Options are employee, information, ERP, database. So, all the information regarding an enterprise, like the information regarding employees, the information, the database or the data, everything is being stored in the ERP system. So, ERP is the key resource of every organization. So, the right answer is option C, ERP. Next question is, when a customer needs to check the performance of a company before he places an order, which department has to be in the position to provide the necessary information? Production, quality, marketing, finance. So the productions department work is to produce the goods. The qualities department is to make sure the product's quality is very nice. The finance department deals with all the accountancy work. Only the marketing department is there, which has the whole and soul knowledge of the company's performance previous year, or what they are going to implement in the future, and what is the current situation. So marketing is the right answer, which will give the necessary information about the company's performance. Next question is, in an integrated data model, what gives a snapshot of the organization at any given time? Options are ERP, database, management, MIS. So the work of ERP itself is to keep the data in an integrated manner. So the right answer is ERP. Next question is, ERP system is built on a dash utilizing a common computing platform. Options are centralized database, individual database, modular database, and centralized layout. So the correct answer for this is centralized database. So ERP system is used to build on centralized database utilizing a common computing platform. Next question is, DSS is quite dash and is available on request. Options are structured, not non-structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. So the right option here is structured. Why? Because DSS is basically decision making process. Okay, so in such cases, all the decisions are being taken which supports your business, which supports your organization. So it is completely a structured activity. Next question is, the dash module internal functions do not directly interact with the data or processes of other modules. Options are finance, quality management, sales and distribution, plant maintenance. So all these departments like finance, quality management, sales and distribution, they interact with each other. The plant maintenance is having the low interactive. So because of that, plant maintenance is not directly, or it does not directly interact with the data processes. Next question is, the processes described in the quality manual can be implemented and automated in the EDP system. Here what EDP stands for? Options are electronic data processing, electronic dictionary project, electrical data processing, employee development plan. So here the EDP stands for electronic data processing. Next is, what is EDI? Options are electronic data interface, exchange data interchange, exchange data interface, electronic data interchange. So here the option is D. And the next question is, Dash module supports the entire sales and purchase processes from start to finish: order management, sales management, purchase management, and master of data management. So in this case, the sales management, it basically works on sales, the purchase works on the things to be purchased, but only the order management looks at the entire process, means starting from the sales, from the raw material till the end process, that is the finished process. So the right answer is order management. So this is all about the exercise of ERP.